Having trouble sending messages on Messenger? Don't worry, we will fix it step by step. To start, open the Settings app on your device and scroll down and click on Apps. Here select the Manage App option. Likewise, click on the search bar at the top and type Messenger. From the result, choose the Messenger app. After that, click on Clear Data at the bottom right corner. When prompted, select Clear Cache and confirm your action. This step helps the app run more smoothly. Once done, go back to your home screen and open the Play Store app. Then tap the search bar and type Messenger. Here select the official app by Meta. If an update is available, hit the update button to get the latest version. After that, open the Messenger app and try sending a message to confirm that the problem is fixed. And that's all. Your Messenger is now ready to send messages. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.